Dear students, in this lecture, we will solve the problems on properties of differentiations from exercise 9a. So the first Roman, first bit, sixth problem. Okay. So this is f of x is equals to ax plus b whole to the power of n into cx plus d whole to the power of m. Now, so here we need to apply product rule. So this is in the form of u into v form. So here differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So that so we get f prime of x, right? So this is f prime of x is equals to u into v, right? So here I am not writing the formula. So directly I am applying. It is ax plus b into ax plus b whole to the power of n into d by dx of cx plus d whole to the power of m plus v into d by dx of u, right? Now, so this is cx plus d whole to the power of m into d by dx of ax plus b whole to the power of n. Now, so this is ax plus b whole to the power of n is as it is. Now, so this is in the form of u power m, right? U to the power of m or u to the power of n. So it is m into u to the power of m minus 1. And this is m into u is as it is cx plus d whole to the power of m minus 1 into d by dx of, here we need to apply chain rule. If it is x, we can leave it as 1, means d by dx of x is 1, right? So but it is cx plus d is there, so that we need to apply the derivative for this inner function also. Okay, plus cx plus d whole to the power of m into power rule apply. So it is n into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 into derivative of inner function. N into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of inner function. Inner function is apply chesukochu. Okala x unna gani chestunnam మనం indirect ga, but x derivative of x is 1 kada, andukosam వదిలేస్తున్నాం. Now so here d by dx of this. Now so this equals to here ax plus b is as it is whole to the power of n. Now this is m into cx plus d whole to the power of m minus 1 into derivative of c into x. C is a constant and x derivative is 1 plus derivative of constant is 0 plus cx plus d whole to the power of m into n into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 into derivative of a is a constant, a into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of b means constant is 0. Derivative of constant is always 0. Derivative of x is 1. Now so let us take a common, or so you can write this as m into c mc into ax plus b whole to the power of n into cx plus d whole to the power of m minus 1, right? C plus 0 means c only, right? So m into 0. Next ikkada constants n and a undi. So here it is n into a times of, so this is cx plus d whole to the power of m into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1. Okay, now so in common, so with this the derivative is over. Just I am simplifying the solution. Derivative is a concept type, but simplification cheyandi. Veelaithe anna factorize cheyadam gaani, common cheyadam gaani. See here ax plus b whole power n undi, ikkada ax plus b whole to the power of n, cx plus d whole to the power of m and cx plus d whole to the power of m. So here entire it is ax plus b whole to the power of n common తీసుకున్నాను. అదే విధంగా cx plus d whole to the power of m కూడా కామన్ తీసుకున్నాం. సో కామన్ తీస్తే మిగతా పార్ట్ ఏం చూడండి, mc into now cx plus d whole to the power of m minus 1 లో m వెళ్ళిపోతే ఇంకా ఉంటుంది minus 1 ఉంది కదా. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ cx plus d whole to the power of minus 1 plus na into ఇది కామన్ వెళ్ళిపోయింది, ఇక్కడ ఇది కామన్ అయింది. సో దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ax plus b all to the power of -1. Now so this is ax plus b all to the power of n into cx plus d all to the power of m times of, now so this is mc into cx plus d whole power -1, or if x power -1 means 1 by x. So here we can write this as cx plus d, 1 by cx plus d, right? 1 by cx plus d into mc is nothing but mc by cx plus d plus na divided by, now say this is ax plus b. Now so this is the derivative for the given function. So a derivative operation jagrata chesandi, so we'll get the answer. So before applying the derivative you need to know some rules. So what is the power rule, what is product rule, what is chain rule? So these are the things you need to know. So the next 11th problem from that. So నేను వదిలేసే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు చేసేయండి. Okay, now f of x is this is log x to the base 7, but we know the derivative for only log x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. So but we don't know the log x to the base some constant value. So we know the derivative for only base e. So try to convert this into base e like. Now so here I'm writing this as f of x is equals to, now so here this is log x divided by log 7, right? So there is a change base property. Log a to the base b can be written as log a by log b. So this is in the form of log a base b, let it be. So this is log a divided by log b form. Okay, now 1 by log 7 is a constant. Now you can apply the derivative. Now so f prime of x is equals to 1 by log 7 is constant into d by dx of the incorporation log of log x. Now log of log x is there. Now so this is 1 by log 7 into derivative of, this is in the form of log x only. Okay, log of u anukundam, log of u. So this is 1 by u means log x. Only inner function ఉంది ఇక్కడ, log x is there. So d by dx of log x. Chain rule application. This is in the form of log u. అంటే 1 by u into derivative of u కదా, అందుకోసం మళ్ళీ u అనుకొని మళ్ళీ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ ఎందుకు, డైరెక్ట్ చేసేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, నా సో దిస్ ఈజ్ 1 by log 7 into, నా సో దిస్ ఈజ్ 1 by log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. So this is log 7. Log 7 can be, log 1 can be written as log e divided by log 7 into 1 by x into log x. Now so this is again log a by log b. Log a by log b is log a to the base b, right? So here I'm writing this as log e to the base 7 divided by x into log x. So this is the answer for the problem. So here base em ledante ikkada, so here this is the base en. So here so you need to know this log a to the base b is nothing but log a by log b. This is called a change base property. So you need to remember this. Now next one is f of x equals to a power x into e to the power of x square. So ఇక్కడ మీకు తెలియాల్సిన రూల్స్ అండ్ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని ఐడియా ఉండాలా. సో చైన్ రూల్ ఎలా అప్లై చేస్తున్నామో తెలియాలి. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫంక్షన్ విచ్ ఆర్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ ఎఫ్. Now so apply the derivative on both sides, f prime of x which is equals to, now it is in the form of u into v, right? First, so there are two functions, adi ela unnayo leave it. Then so f into, sorry, this is u into v model. U into v ఉన్నప్పుడు product rule అవుతుంది. So that apply the product rule here. So a power x into d by dx of e power x square plus e power x square into d by dx of a power x, right? Now ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, So f prime of x equals to a power x is as it is. Now, so this is in the form of e power x first. E power x derivative is e power x only, but x plus x square undi into d by dx of x plus x square undi dani yokka derivative kuda cheyandi, inner function avutundi. X unna cheseyochu, no problem. X unnappudu evavutundi 1 avutundi kabatti direct vadilestunnam. Now, so this is e to the power of x square into, now a power x derivative is, yeah, so it is a power x into log a. దీనికి ఇన్నర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏం లేదు కదా, సో d by dx of 1 కాబట్టి వదిలేసాను. ఇక్కడ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అదర్ దాన్ ఎక్స్ అనుకోండి, దాన్ని కూడా డెరివేటివ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అ చైన్ రూల్. నా సో ఇన్ దిస్ ఏ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ కామన్. ఏ పవర్ ఎక్స్ కామన్ వస్తుంది, ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ కామన్ వస్తుంది. కామన్ తీసిన తర్వాత నా డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ 2x ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ మిగిలిందండి లాగ్ ఏ. సో ఏ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ times of 2x plus log a is the derivative of this function. So this is a problem number 16, I think. Okay, check, this is in the book. I problem now, so here f of x is equals to, now it is 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Now a formula చూడండి, f of x equal to, this is 1 by something is, let it be u. So 1 by u formula ఉంది. 1 by u is nothing but a reciprocal rule. Reciprocal rule ఏంటి, that is minus 1 by u square into derivative of u, right? Now, so apply the derivative for this. F prime of x equals to d by dx of, idila rasanడి as it is. So ax square plus bx plus c. So it is a quadratic expression, right? So whatever it may be, 1 by u model undi kada, 1 by u is nothing but minus 1 by u square. U square is as it is ax square plus bx plus c into derivative of u plus lo chudandi, ax square plus bx plus c. Now, so this is minus 1 by ax square plus bx plus c whole square into derivative of ax square, that is a into 2x plus b constant kada, b into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of constant is 0. So finally the derivative of this is minus of 2ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c whole square. So this is the derivative of this function. This is in the form of 1 by u. So apply 1 by u formula. Derivative of 1 by u, that is called a reciprocal rule. So f of x equals to 1 plus x square and so on up to x to the power of 100. Then find the derivative of this function at x equals to 1, means f dash of 1. So we need to find. Now, so here it is 1 plus x square and so on x to the power of 100. It represents a polynomial. So every polynomial is differentiable anywhere, right? Now, so the given function is f of x, which is 1 plus x square and so on up to x to the power of 100. Now, so apply the differentiation on both sides, so that it is f dash of x is equals to d by dx of, then this is 1 plus x square x cube and so on up to x to the power of 100, right? Now, so this is a derivative of, so then there are 100 functions are there, so we need to apply the derivative for individual. Now, so d by dx of 1 is 0, means a constant, right? Now d by dx of x is 1. Now derivative of x square is, so 2 into x to the power of 2 minus 1, means it is x only. Now if there exists any x cube, then that is 3 into x square, like this. So it is 3x square, next term 4x cube and so on up to, then x to the power of 100 is 100 into x to the power of 99. So here the derivative of f dash of x equals to, this is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus and so on up to 100 into x to the power of 99. So this is the derivative of the given function. But what we have to find? So we need to find f prime of 1, f dash of 1. So that put x equals to 1 here in this derivative. So we get f dash of 1 or f prime of 1. Now so here say if we substitute x equal to 1, so constant is constant only, and 2 into this is 1 plus 3 into 1 square again, that is so 3 plus 4 into 1 cube ఉంటుంది. So 1 cube is nothing but 1, 4. So then similarly and so on up to 100 into x to the power of 99. So it is 1 power 99 is 1. So 100 into 1 is 1. Now so here 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to 100. So the sum of first 100 natural numbers. So we know there is a formula in mathematical induction. 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2, right? So the sum of first n natural numbers is, that is we know this formula, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to n is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. So this represents the sum of first n natural numbers. Now here we can apply this formula for this. So where n equals to, here n equals to 100, right? So f prime of 1 m. Now so it is n equal to 100 and up to 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. So this is 2 ones and 2 50s. So this is 50 into 101. 50 into 101 means it is 5050. So f prime of 1 is equals to, f prime of 1 is 5050. So next fourth problem. So now if f of x is 2x square plus 3x minus 5, then prove that f prime of 0 plus 3 into f prime of minus 1 is 0. So we need to show this expression is equal to 0. So to find the value of this, or this is equal to 0, here we need f prime of x, right? So already given f of x. So f of x is a quadratic equation, sorry, polynomial. So expression 2x square plus 3x minus 5. Now so first find the derivative of that function. So here f of x equals to 2x square plus 3x minus 5 is a polynomial. So every polynomial is differentiable everywhere. So the derivative of this is equals to d by dx of this. So it is 2x square plus 3x minus 5. Now so d by dx of, so 2 is a constant, x square derivative is 2x plus derivative of 3x is 3 only, derivative of 5 is 0 since it is a constant. So finally f prime of x equals to 4x plus 3. So here f prime of x is 4x plus 3. Now so we need f prime of 0 and f prime of minus 1. So now find out the values of f prime of 0. F prime of 0 allows no more. So by replacing x with 0 in this, so we get, so this is 4 into 0 plus 3. So it is equals to 0 plus 3, then it is 3. Next f prime of minus 1 also, by replacing minus 1 here, so it is 4 times of minus 1 plus 3, that is minus 4 plus 3 means it is minus 1. Now here we need to find, so from this so you can find the f prime of 0 plus 3 into f prime of minus 1. So consider from the given thing. Now so f prime of 0 already we have, this is 3 plus 3 times of f prime of minus 1. So this is minus 1. So it is 3 minus 3, this is 0. So f prime of 0 plus 3 into f prime of minus 1 is equal to 0 when f of x is 2x square plus 3x minus 5. So second Roman, that first bit, find the derivatives of the following functions from the first principle. So now so we need to solve the derivative of the given functions using the first principle. As we know, the first principle of the derivative, right, that is based on the limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now here what is given? given that f of x is equals to tan 2x. Now by using this we can express f of x plus h. F of x plus h alone. So this is a tan of, so 2 of x plus h means it is 2x plus 2h. Now, so what is our first principle? Write down the first principle, that is limit h tends to 0, f prime of x equals to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So this is our first principle. Now, so replace all the values here over here. So this is the limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is, so tan of 2x plus 2h minus tan of 2x by h. Now, so if we apply the limit, then this is tan h of tan of 2x plus 0. So tan x minus tan x 0, 0 by 0. So it is indeterminate form. So that so we need to apply the trigonometric ratios formulae. So here the tan can be written as sin by cos. So first of all, so there is no alternative. So replace tan with sin by cos. So here this becomes sin of 2x plus 2h minus by cos of 2x plus 2h minus, so this is sin of 2x by cos of 2x whole divided by h. Now, so this is limit h tends to 0. Now, so here the LCM is cos of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Okay, now, so this is like cos of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. So in the numerator, this is sin into cos and sin into this cos. So here it becomes sin of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x, right? Minus, here it is cos of 2x plus 2h into sin 2x. So divided by this, whole divided by h is there. So let it be, it is into h. Now, so this is limit h tends to 0. Now, so this is in the form of sin a cos b minus cos a into sin b, right? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, that is sin of a plus b, right? So here a is 2x plus 2h, b is 2x. So therefore it is sin of 2x plus 2h minus 2x divided by, this is as it is, cos of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x or into 1 by h, like this. So here 2x and 2x will get cancelled. Now, so here we can separate the limit like so limit h tends to 0. Now this is sin of 2h, right? So sin of 2h by h into, we need to apply the limit for this also, right? So limit h tends to 0. Now, so this is 1 by cos of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x, right? Okay, now, so which is equals to limit h tends to 0, sin ax by x, sin kx by x answer k, or you can multiply and divide the 2 also, no problem. Now, so we get this is 2 into 1 sin x by x form. Now into limit h tends to 0, 1 by, now so this is 2x plus 2h. Here 2x is a constant and h is the limit, h value is 0, therefore it is 2x plus 0, then it is 2x into cos 2x, right? This is 2x plus 0 means 2x, so cos 2x into cos 2x. So cos 2x into cos 2x is cos square 2x. Cos square 2x is equals to 2 into, 1 by cos square 2x can be written as secant square of 2x. So therefore the derivative of tan 2x is 2 into secant square 2x. See one more problem regarding the first principle from the exercise, that is the 9th one. F of x equals to cos square x. ఇప్పుడు ఫార్ములా బేస్ చేసుకొని చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్లో డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా బేస్ చేసుకొని కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, So here I am doing this these problems for how to apply the first principle of the derivative. Now f of x is given, this is cos square x. So up to f of x plus h avutundi. Now so this is cos square of x plus h, right? So like this. Now so direct chestunanu. So f prime of x is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of the formula. So this is our formula. Only in right lena. Now so if possible you can write. So limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h is nothing but cos square x plus h minus f of x is cos square x divided by h. Now if we apply the limit directly, then again it is a 0 by 0 case. So 0 by 0 means it is indeterminate form. So try for the factorization or use a trigonometric formula since it contains the trigonometric ratios, right? Now so this is in the form of cos square a minus cos square b. Cos square a minus cos square b formula. Okay, so we know the cos square a like it is cos square a minus cos square b formula, which is equals to minus sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So apply here. So limit h tends to 0. Now so cos square of x plus h and minus sin of a plus b. A is x plus h, b is x. So it is x plus h plus x into sin of x plus h minus x divided by h. Here plus x and minus x gets cancelled, and so finally this is minus limit h tends to 0. Now so this is a sin of 2x plus h into sin h by h. This is sin of x plus x, 2x plus h into sin h by h. Now so apply the limit. Minus the limit h tends to 0, sin of 2x plus h ఏమవుతుంది, sin of 2x plus 0 అవుతుంది into limit h tends to 0, sin h by h is 1. So this is minus sin 2x. So the derivative of cos square x is minus sin 2x. So ఈ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ అంటే మనకి ఒక ఫార్ములా తెలుసు సరిపోతుంది. cos square a minus cos square b is minus sin square minus sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So next third second problem f of x equal to x power n into n power x into log of nx. Then find f prime of x. So here three different functions are there. Now it is algebraic function, it is exponential and logarithm. So we know the derivative for u into v only, derivative of u into v. Now here one more term is there, u into v into w. So u into v into w into some other variable z also, no problem, we can apply. Now so here we need to know the formula is a derivative of three functions, product of three functions. So while applying the derivative for u, then these two are constants. So like so this is u v into dw by dx plus ఇప్పుడు అవుతుంది దీనికి అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు ఈ రెండు కాన్స్టెంట్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో లైక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ u ఇంటూ dv by dx ఇంటూ w ప్లస్ du by dx ఇంటూ vw కాన్స్టెంట్. అంటే త్రీ టర్మ్స్, త్రీ ఫంక్షన్స్కి డెరివేటివ్ రావాలి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ త్రీ ఫంక్షన్స్. నౌ సో అప్లై హియర్ f u v w అనుకున్నాం. So f prime of x is equals to ఎలా ఉంటుంది, d by dx of x to the power of n into n to the power of x into log of nx. Right? Now so identify, see the difference between these two. It is a polynomial x to the power of n and this is a power x form. A power x is nothing but exponential, right? రెండింటికి సేమ్ ఫార్ములా అప్లై కూడదు. ఫార్ములా నోట్ చేసేటప్పుడు జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. So it is x to the power of n means, so first apply the derivative of this. So x to the power of n into n to the power of x constant, దీనికి అప్లై చేస్తున్న డెరివేటివ్. సో log of n by nx is 1 by nx అవుతుంది ఇంటూ d by dx of మళ్ళీ చాలా nx is inner function కదా. సో లైక్ దిస్ ప్లస్ సో u vకి డెరివేట్ చేస్తున్నాను, w కాన్స్టెంట్ కలుద్దాం. సో x to the power of n into d by dx of this So a power x formula ante a power x into log a kada. Log a is nothing but log n here into w as it is. It is log of nx plus next x to the power of n ki apply ani. So x to the power of n ki derivative avutundi n into x to the power of n minus 1 into n to the power of x into log of nx as it is. Okay, now so I try to simplify this. X to the power of n into n to the power of x into, now here it is nx, 1 by nx into derivative of nx is n only, right? Plus here anything, so it is x to the power of n into n to the power of x into log n into log of nx plus x to the power of n minus 1 and n into n power x. So here we can write it as n to the power of x plus 1 into log of nx. Right. So here anything that is common, n power x is common from everything, n power x, n power x, n power x. So n power x common this one. N power x common this avutundi. So this is x to the power of n. The n could cancel together. So x to the power of n by x is there. So x to the power of n minus 1 ఉంటుంది. Plus x to the power of n into log n into log of nx. Plus here x to the power of n minus 1 is as it is into n power x into 1. So let it be is n. N power x common this one. Now so the remaining part is log of nx. Now see here you can observe x to the power of n minus 1 is also common. So x to the power of n minus 1 common into n power x times of this is 1. Here x to the power of n is common. So n minus 1 is common. So only x ikkane untadi kada. This is x. So this is a log n into log of nx. Plus x to the power of n minus 1 common. So finally n into log of nx. So this is the derivative for that function. Yeah, see one more problem from this. F of x equal to 1 minus x whole cube into e to the power of x. So this is like u into v form. U into v. So f prime of x is equals to u into v dash. So here we can write it as 1 by x minus x whole cube into d by dx of e power x plus e power x constant will see now d by dx of 1 by x minus x whole to the power of 3. So it is 1 by x minus x whole cube. Now so this can be written as a 1 by x minus x whole power 3 into derivative of e power x is e power x only plus e power x into, now so this is like a u power 3 power rule prakaram. So here you can apply this is a 3 into 1 by x minus x whole to the power of 3 minus 1 అంటే 2 అవుతుంది into మళ్ళీ inner function derivative d by dx of 1 by x minus x. Okay, now so there so this is 1 by x minus x whole cube into e to the power of x plus e power x into 3 into 1 by x minus x whole square into derivative of 1 by x. 1 by x derivative అవుతుంది x power minus 1 అంటే అవుతుంది minus 1 into x to the power of minus 1. So it is minus 1 by x square and derivative of x is 1. So finally this is 1 by x minus x whole to the power of 3 into e to the power of x plus 3 e power x into 1 by x minus x whole square. So here minus is common, right? Sorry, minus common, this is so minus, so it is 1 by x square plus 1. 1 by x square plus 1. So finally the answer is 1 by x minus x whole cube into e power x minus 3 into e power x into 1 by x minus x whole square into 1 by x square plus 1. Now fourth problem. So verify whether the following function is differentiable at 1 and 3. For this, please first define function. So here x and x is less than 1. 3 minus x if x is from 1 to 3, and it is x square minus 4x plus 3 if x is more than 3. Now so the function is piecewise different function. Intum chesina anni kuda manaki direct functions over r or some else, but here it is divided into some pieces. So what you need to find at 1 and 3. So less than 1 అయినప్పుడు ఒక ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది, greater than 1 అయినప్పుడు ఒక ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది. Less than 3 కి 3 minus x ఉంది, and greater than 3 కి ఇది ఉంది. So here compulsory we need to use the concept of limit, and the concept of limit for differentiation. So we have alternative formula for derivative, right? So first find out the derivative of this at x equals to 1. First x equal 1 check చేద్దాం. Left hand derivative and right hand derivative. So at x equals to 1, so you need to find the left hand derivative, that is f prime of 1 minus తీసుకుంటాం. f prime of 1 minus, so which is equals to limit x tends to 1 minus alternative form f of x minus f of a by x minus a కదా. Now a equal to 1, so therefore f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. Now so which is limit x tends to 1 minus, so f of x 1 minus is nothing but x less than 1. X less than 1 can define చేస్తారు ఇక్కడ x minus f of 1 x equal to 1 అయినప్పుడు function 3 minus x ఉంది. So x equals to 1 exactly what is, then it is 3 minus 1. So వీళ్ళైతే find out చేయండి first. So f of 1 ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ, f of 1 equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2. And similarly f of 3 కూడా వస్తుంది కదా, f of 3 కూడా కనుక్కోండి. f of 3 అంటే ఏంటి, సేమ్ ఫంక్షన్, సో 0. ఈక్వల్ సింబల్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, సో వీ నీడ్ టు కన్సిడర్ దిస్ ఫంక్షన్ 3 minus x. So f of 1 value 2, f of 3 is 0. Okay, leave it. Now so this is divided by x minus 1. So limit x tends to 1 minus, so this is x minus 2 divided by x minus 1. So as x is goes to 1 from left hand side, 1 say it is 1 only, 1 minus 2 something, say some quantity is there, negative value is there, but in the denominator as x is goes to 1 from left hand side, then this is 0 no chance in here. So something by 0 is undefined, that is infinity. So left hand derivative at 1 is infinity వచ్చేసింది. Left hand derivative at 1 is infinity. Similarly find out right hand derivative for this 1 plus, so which is limit x tends to 1 plus f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. Now this is limit x tends to 1 plus, here f of x is 1 plus అయినప్పుడు f of x అవుతుంది, x is greater than 1, so 3 minus x అవుతుంది, so that it is 3 minus x, and f of 1 value, so it is 2 divided by x minus 1. So this is, so limit x tends to 1 plus, so 3 minus 2, it is 1, or you can consider this as a minus of x minus 1 వచ్చేస్తుంది, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 అవుతుంది, right? Now so limit x tends to 1 plus, so this x minus 1 and x minus 1 gets cancelled, therefore it is minus 1. So as x is approaches to 1 plus or 1 minus, constant is always constant, so the right hand derivative at 1 is minus 1. So left hand derivative infinite వచ్చింది, right hand derivative minus 1. So అలాంటి కేసులో లిమిట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుందా, no. So in the same way derivative కూడా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కాదు, therefore f of x is not differentiable at x equals to 1. So 1 దగ్గర differentiable కాదు అని చెప్పేసి. And similarly you can evaluate the derivative for this at 3. So at x equal to 3 కూడా కనుక్కుందాం. At x equal to 3 find out. So at x equals to 3, and so you need to find the derivative of 3 from left hand side, that is limit x tends to 3 minus f of x minus f of 3 by x minus a, means x minus 3 అవుతుంది. So this is limit x tends to 3 minus f of x is x less than 3 అన్నప్పుడు x less than 3 means 3 minus x only, 3 minus x minus f of 3 value, f of 3 already 0 so 0 divided by x minus 3. So 3 minus x by x minus 3 ఉంది. So this is limit x tends to 3 minus, so directly it is minus 1, 3 minus x minus 3 gets cancelled, therefore it is x minus 3. So the limit is minus 1. So the right hand derivative is, so left hand derivative for 3 is minus 1, and similarly right hand derivative of 3 చూద్దాం. So limit x tends to 3 plus, so this is f of x minus f of 3 divided by x minus 3. Now f of x, so limit x tends to 3 plus f of x అవుతున్నాను x greater than 3 అయినప్పుడు, so it is x square minus 4x plus 3 minus 0 divided by x minus 3. Now so you can factorize these two things. Limit x tends to 3 plus x square minus 4x plus 3 factor చేసి అవుతుంది side factor చేసాను. So it is x minus 3 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 3. So here x minus 3 gets cancelled, so x minus 1 is there. So x minus 1 means as x goes to 3 plus 3 minus 1 అవుతుంది, so it is 3 minus 1 which is equals to 2. So here left hand derivative is minus 1, right hand derivative is 2. So a particular point దగ్గర నాకు లిమిట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కావాలి అంటే డెరివేటివ్ కూడా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కాదు. సో therefore f of x is not differentiable at x equals to 3. సో 1 దగ్గర కాలేదు 3, సో 2 పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఆ 2 పాయింట్స్ దగ్గర కూడా కావాలి. neither of 1 and 2 are 1 and 3 are differentiable. సో x equal 1 దగ్గర డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ కాదు, x equal 3 దగ్గర డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ కావట్లేదు. So these are the problems from exercise 9A. So please do the leftover problems in this exercise 9A. Thank you.